Well, I wandered alone to a desert of stone, and I dreamed of my future wife. I got my son in my hand, and I'm next to command in this vision of death called life. My plate in my cup, I write straight up. I took the rules of a hand from a child. Well, I kiss your lips, the honey drips, but got you, put you down for a while. Every day we meet on any old street, and you're in your girlish prime. The shot in the towel, I come into the ball, I go there all the time. Behind every tree, there's something to see. The river wider than a mile. Well, I tried you twice, and you can't be nice. I'm gonna have to put you down for a while. Here come the nurse with money in her purse. Here come the ladies and men. Well, you push it all in, you got no chance to win, but you play it on down to the end. I'm laying to the side, getting the sunshine tan, where the word says no God. I got to put you down for a while. I count the tears, shed no fear. I'm blinded to what might have been. Nature's voice always makes me rejoice. I lay in the wild song of the wind. I found hopeless love in a room above, when the weather was mild. You're as fine as wine, I ain't handing you no line, but I got you, put you down for a while. The merry little elves have hung themselves. My faith is cold as can be. They're tied to the roof. I don't really know. If you don't believe me, come see. Well, you think I'm blue? I think so too. In my words, you'll find no guile. The game's got low, and the deck's gone cold, and I got to put you down